I realize I need to do an update. Been so busy with the holidays, you're going to be a little disappointed in me. But we have some upkeep to do today. That's how big we've gotten. I cut the light so I could get a better look at it. That's a tomato plant. So far I've got it put up here pretty good. I was going to do it a little bit higher, and I looked at my light and realized I might loop it down just a bit. But I'm not going to do anything more with this today. So this is pretty much the update on the tomato plant. And I have to say that to me, it looks pretty healthy. I'm pretty surprised. And if this is going to be a little bloom here, I'm going to even be happier. So we'll see. And we'll go ahead and check on our canna and our elephant ears. I think they're doing pretty well as well. Of course, we have our little babies in our little liquor glasses coming on. And of course, he's always doing rather well, along with my little aloe vera down here. Now, what I did is change fertilizers. We'll talk about that. No real change in the Christmas cactus. I didn't expect any. And see, it's still trying to find somewhere to go. And it'll never find it. But it's got another shoot coming up the back there. It's going to be a very interesting plant to watch. Now I went ahead and made some changes. This is just the impatiens. And this is empty, because we're going to go ahead and put some bell pepper in there soon. We got the sago palm, which I moved, brought its light over. Right now this isn't the most aesthetic. Is that the word for it? However, it's functional. So these are part of our peppers, and I'm going to have to climb down and hold on one moment. Sorry. Some of the pepper died off. I had a lot of family and a lot of things, and I wasn't really on top of all of this during the holiday season. So we have, you have to realize I have grandchildren, so my peppers are up high. So we have little stragglers that I may just end up snipping and maybe trying to clone. But anyway, here's my other one, and he's doing rather well. And you know, I really don't have a whole lot of upkeep to do other than cutting some of this back. So I'm going to pretty much end the video here because there is no upkeep. But what I did was switch back to Miracle-Gro. I was trying to mess around with all of these fertilizers, and well, I think I did my plants more harm than good. But my son has a line of fertilizer that he's doing, and he's having great success with it. So I may try it on the tomato, and if we see that that's a workable product, then well, maybe then we'll endorse it. But anyway, until then, that's about it, and things are going well. And as long as I stay vigilant, and what's that word my son always uses? Consistent, we should have great results. Have a wonderful New Year.